Hello, my name is Sushmita Rane and I'm sent here from Thanasville District Hospital. I'm a government employee and in government practice we are already trained, we are already taken training, nursing, we are already completed our nursing education. But here we come to brush up our knowledge, and IMS has given a very nice opportunity to us to brush up our knowledge and to develop some skillful events to give practical approach to whatever we are doing in our day-to-day life. We are doing duties and in such a hurry-burry experiences. IMS has given us that skill to do this in a very short way, so we can apply our knowledge in very short and sweet way. Because theoretically there are so many things to do this and that, but practically whenever we are going to apply this, we are getting confused what to do exactly at what situation. But IMS has given that approach to do right thing at right time. So this is what I like about IMS, because they have given a very nicely brief explanation about short and sweet things in very short time. So I would like to thanks IMS to give us this opportunity to come here and attend this session on very beautiful, and the food was also very nice, and the faculty members were very nice, kind to us. They taught us very softly and sweetly, with so many fun and with fun and also a knowledge. So I like this session so much. Thanks.